Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you our allotment and I just want to show you around. This is kind of a spontaneous video because I thought you might find this interesting. So this is really it. It's quite a huge plot and we acquired this, well, we're renting this from the council here in Cardiff since 2016, and let's show you around. When we acquired it, everything was just grown over. Basically everything looked like this bit, pretty overgrown, so it's going to be fun clearing all that space again. And one of the reasons why we quite liked this plot was actually the shed. Maybe not the wisest idea to choose something because it has a shed. Oops, my god, this is totally overgrown. Last summer it was brilliant because it was very hot and it was really good for us to work here. As you can see, gosh, it's getting worse and worse. We had a lot of rain, which explains why it's been overgrown so much. Sorry about the shaky camera. I can actually not see what I'm filming here because of the sun. So, this is the shed. We created our own little sign with a horseshoe, and I will open this. Hang on, I will pause this now. So this is the inside of our shed. It's actually basically a spider central. We end up having to evacuate a lot of spiders. It's not that nice. It also smells a bit. As you can see, loads of stuff. We don't keep any valuables here because people tend to break into sheds, so we also have stopped locking it. We had a lock, but someone actually decided to break it anyway and had a look around. Didn't steal anything because this is all not very exciting to steal, really. Yeah, so this actually needs a good tidy. And we have to sort the spiders out as well. So next to it we have, this is overgrown again. We actually cleared it in the first year. We found so much rubbish from our predecessor and a lot of carpet. They love carpet here. They put carpet on everything. It's just a nightmare to get rid of. So our plan is actually to clear all this. And this is supposed to be the compost heap. So we want to move that to... No, you can't really see that because it's overgrown, but we actually have a designated area, I can show you in a minute, for our compost, and eventually would like to actually we would like to actually sit here and enjoy the view, which currently is not very exciting. And then we've got some buckets with water. It's not so interesting. We actually have strawberries still growing here somewhere, but I don't know where now. Yeah, here. You might see the rows, but they were quite old, so we have planted new ones, which I will show you in a minute. Actually, I can spot some. Here, let's have a look. What's this? It's a strawberry. Once I'm done with filming, I will actually pick strawberry. And lots of spinach, because we planted spinach and that grows really well. Now this plot, just to show you, is our neighbor's plot, and he did such a fantastic job last year. Unfortunately, he seems to have abandoned it now. I guess he didn't have the time to commit, and he did it all on his own. He had no help. But this year, this cage is very precious because it's got lots of strawberries. So sometimes we nick strawberries from here. Well, it's better than having the birds nicking them all. I'm not happy with this cage anyway, because sometimes birds just get stuck and then they panic and they don't know how to get out of here. So, okay, filming and talking is not that easy. Right, this is our compost area. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to get rid of all that grass and everything. So in the first year we couldn't really do much, and what we did was basically put this weed suppressor mat on the surface, on the ground, and since then we've been just working our way from the bottom to the top. And it's a slow process, because when you're working and doing other stuff, yeah, it takes its time. We tried to actually grow some lettuce here, but it's not doing anything. We only get weeds, so we have to change all this and abandon the plan. Our carrots, unfortunately, they don't do too well. I don't know why. We've got another bucket of carrots here. Yeah, no. Oh, you can see my shadow now. Okay, it's not so exciting. Yeah. And here, lots of strawberries, which I will pick when I have done the filming, and that's gonna be lovely, because then I have something nice to eat later. More strawberries. We actually, so we bought some new strawberry plants, but we also used some of the daughter plants from our first lot of strawberries, which we inherited. And I have to say, the new ones we bought actually taste nicer, and they tend to be also bigger. It's the Cambridge variety or something, I can't remember. As you can see, they're nice and ripe. And the reason why strawberries are called strawberries in English is because, yeah, it's best to actually grow them on straw. It makes a world of a difference, because if you don't do that, the worms and, I don't know, worms, all sorts of stuff try to eat it when it hits the ground. So we actually have to put more straw down, because they tend to nibble on our strawberries, which is not very nice. This is our lettuce. Oh yeah, I definitely have to do some watering here as well. As you can see, it's getting a bit pale. It's growing well though, and it really tastes nice. It's good spinach, this. Yeah, and this is a bit of a mystery, because we actually planted two different things. Kohlrabi, which you might not know or heard of. It's very common in Germany, and I quite like kohlrabi. And we also are growing broccoli, but at the moment I can't really tell you which is which, because the leaves kind of look the same. Yeah, last year we had lots of lettuce here. That's really about it at the moment. I hope in a few months I can show you a new update and a lot of progress here. So yeah, I will now enjoy my strawberries. Well, picking them first, and then we'll have a nice dessert later. Okay. So, as you can see, it's a lot of work, and our neighbors there have a very nice plot. They grow loads of stuff, but they are actually 3 people working on it. So yeah. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention is that we do have foxes here, and last year we had a fox family, and I think we have another fox family. And we also have a night vision camera, and we want to install this so we can actually see what's going on at night, because the foxes tend to come out at between 9 and 10 o'clock when it's nice and quiet for them, and they're just very nice foxes. I love foxes, as you know. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye. Just thought I'd show you quickly. This is our small strawberry bed with my shadow. And this is what I just picked. Not bad, is it? That keeps us in strawberries for a few days. I still have to pick these guys. Wow, look at those strawberries. They're huge, aren't they? Mmm, yummy. Look forward to eating them.